Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to hide captions on Facebook web using your PC. If captions keep appearing on videos and you find them distracting, don't worry, you can turn them off in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on your profile photo to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section controls how Facebook looks and behaves, including accessibility features. Next, you'll be taken to a new panel. Here, click on Accessibility Settings. This is where Facebook groups all options related to captions, motion, and other viewing preferences. Now, look for the section called Video and Motion. Click on it to expand the available options. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Always Show Captions. If this setting is turned on, Facebook will automatically display captions on videos whenever they're available. To hide captions, simply toggle this option off. Once disabled, captions will no longer appear automatically when you watch videos on Facebook. And that's it, captions are now hidden on your Facebook web version. If you ever want to turn captions back on, just follow the same steps and enable the setting again. This quick adjustment can make your browsing experience cleaner and less distracting, especially if you prefer watching videos without on-screen text. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features and settings.